We are in the 5,100 acre Wallkill Valley National Wildlife Refuge in Sussex, New Jersey. And we're here just about 500 feet up the road. We had a sighting about 6 months ago. We didn't have one, but we had a report of a sighting, a road crossing sighting. So we're here. It rained not too long ago. This place is known for tracks. So we're going to hopefully find some tracks and get some vocalizations and record them for you guys. So let's go do it. Yeah, you can see on this side too. That's phenomenal. It's a beautiful night out.
It really is. There's some more down trees in here too.
I think an important thing to note though about this is this all gets flooded very easily. So I think this could easily all be underwater. And I don't know if it's moving water because the river. So if it is, that could be debris from moving water. Ooh, good eye.
That looks more
Unfortunately,
human.
that is a boot print. But that was a good eye. Notice how there's only one.
Which is...
An old boot print.
I mean, that looks fairly new.
Ooh, a whistle.
What's a whistle? What does the whistle signify?
Bigfoot are known to whistle.
Just like a regular human whistle?
Just like that.
Because that was like a...
Yeah, just like that.
You finding some cool things on thermals, or?
No, nothing. Oh no, if I see something on thermal, you'll know. That's my...
It's my, I got something on thermal?
Yeah. Like, you know, when I fish and I get something like, there it is. When I get something on thermal, I'm like, oh. I want to point out that without our headlamp on, without the white light shining, we wouldn't have been able to see that. So, that's so cool.
What is it?
It's coyotes.
My heart is pounding.
Yeah, those are coyotes. The first one didn't sound like a coyote though.
It didn't.
And I think it came from that direction.
I'm a little scared.
Yeah, alright. I want to listen to that though. Let me mark the voice recorder, see what time that was. Timestamp now is 21:10 hours. Let's do a call back.
They're gonna come running up here.
The coyotes?
Yeah.
No. No. If I was alone, I'd be a little intimidated because they're a little close, but 2 people were good. But that means they just got to kill. Or Bigfoot set them off. One of the 2. I don't think that first one sounded like a coyote. I don't know.
I mean, it definitely didn't. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know.
I personally thought it was people, but you know, that's me.
Yeah, no, that's.
But then I'm also not like attuned with nature and their calls and stuff like that. So.
I have to go back and listen to that one for sure. That's
Definitely.
A good one. Yeah.
Check out this. It like arches.
That looks pretty cool.
All the way over.
Yep. That would be snow road. That did that. We're about halfway done with it.
Where did it go?
Just down to just the little lake thing. Try to. It's kind of far. Where are you?
A possum.
Hi.
Disappear?
Oh, he's gone. He's running.
Yeah.
So that was good. That was we quickly identified the eyes. We saw the eyes. We identified that they were eyes. We found out what animal they were from, and we recorded the animal. And that happened all in a matter of I think that total lasted about 5 seconds. So that was pretty good on our part doing that. So if we see a Bigfoot, hopefully we can be able to deploy and do the same measures as we just did with the whooshamacallit, with the possum. All right, so we did a mile and something hike, and we didn't come across anything, but we came across, we heard some coyotes and some barred owls and something that might have not been a coyote, so we're going to review the audio when we get home, but it was a good night.